can of refrigerant, 134A Freon, and it just brought us to the bottom of the green, which is one can. So there's our connection there with the engine running on full speed on the AC. So we're gonna switch cans now. That took about almost 15 minutes to hold the can vertically and then rotate to 3 o'clock every 2 to 3 seconds by shaking also the can simultaneously. So there's our connection on the low pressure side. It's a nice system here. I got stainless steel braided hose and a gauge, and this is a reusable hose and gauge. So, and it's also for it's a self-sealing gauge and can. So it's safe to use. Anyway, we'll take a break now and switch cans. And it's already starting to be a little cooler inside the cabin. So, or the cockpit, whatever you like to call the inside of your vehicle. So, we'll go to the next step. We'll turn the motor off and take a break here. How to charge your air conditioning. Do it yourself. DIY.